Good morning, friends. Welcome to Option Achievers channel. Today we are going to see about the difference between buying a call option and selling a put option. Are both are same or is there any difference? That is what we are going to see today. Today, 25th September 2020, the market has closed somewhere else around 10,805. So the nearest strike price is 10,800. For example, if someone is bullish for Nifty till 1st October, which is going to be the next expiry, either they can buy the call option or they can sell the put option. But there is a difference is there. Buying a call option requires less capital. It requires somewhere else around 12,000. But selling a put option, that require more than 1 lakh. Now, when you should buy the call option, when you should sell the put option? This is the question. So, to answer this question, I am going to ask you back with some other questions. Are you very much bullish? Are you slightly bullish? Or you are just neutral about the market? If you are neutral about the market, selling the put option is best. If you are slightly bullish, then also selling the put option is the best. If you are very much bullish, then buying the call option will give very good result. Even at the time, selling the put option will give you profit, but the profit is limited. As you are very much bullish, at the time buying the call option may give good return. Now, in market, whenever you buy or sell, there are three things that may happen. Either market can go up or market can go down, or market may move in sideways and end up staying in the same point on the expiry day. These are the three possible scenarios. Now, a person who bought the call option, he will be paying around 163 rupees for the 10,800 call option for the 1st October expiry. If he is trying to buy the call option around 25th September 2020, around evening 3:25 p.m. or something, he will be paying the premium around 163 rupees. Now, look at the payoff chart. On 1st October 2020, that is the expiry day, if the market crosses 10,963, then only he will be making profit. Even if the market exactly stays at 10,963, he will not be making any profit, which means he will be in no loss, no profit. That is called the break-even point. But the current market price is 10,805. So, within next 5 days, the market has to move beyond 163 points, then only he will make profit. If the market is slightly bullish, if the market makes only a move in between 50 to 150 points, then he will not make profit, he will be in loss. So if you look at the probability of profit, it's just 33%. But if you look at the estimated premium that is required, he just need only 12,250 rupees. Because the premium is very less, most of the people are going for the buying call option, and they are trying to square up their position within 30 minutes or 1 hour or max within a day. That is why even though probability of profit is very less, they are able to make money in some times. But for sure, if they try to carry forward the position for 5 days, the market has to be very much bullish, which means the market has to move beyond 163 points. Then only a buyer of call option will make profit. Now, let us look at the selling the put option. The same 1st October 2020 10,800 put option is trading around 125 rupees. This is the chart as per 25th September 2020 evening around 3:30. If you look at the probability of profit, it's 64%. When he sell it, he will get 125 rupees as a premium. That is the max profit. 125 rupees into quantity is 75, that is equal to 9,390 rupees. That is the maximum profit. For him to make profit, if the market stays above 10,675, he will be in profit. If the market goes down below 10,675, then only he will be in loss, which means if the market stays in 10,800 neutral, then also he makes money. If he is bullish and market is also bullish, then also he is making money. If the person is bullish, but if the market is slightly bearish, then also he is making money. Slightly bearish means from the current price 10,805 below 125 points, that is 10,675. Till that slightly bearish, he will be in profit or he will be in no loss, no profit position when the market reaches 10,675 on the expiry day. If he is bullish and if the market is very much bearish means on 1st October while expiring, the market is going down below 10,675, then only he will make losses. Until then, he will not make losses and he will be in profit. So, for selling a put option, the probability is 64%, and even if the market goes his way, he is making profit. Even if the market is neutral, he is making profit. Even if the market is slightly bearish, still he is making profit. Seems to be a very good thing. But you know one thing, the estimated premium goes beyond 1 lakh. As the premium is very much higher, the probability of profit is very much higher, 64%. The premium is very much high, that is why most of the retail traders are not getting into the option selling. But option selling is the only way to make steady growth, because that will not give you the chance of making loss. The chances of making loss is very less, which means only less percentage of chance that you will make losses. Most of the times you will be in profit if your guess is correct. When the market goes exactly opposite direction, that too with a very much opposite direction, then only you will be in loss. If the market goes slightly negative also, you will be still in profit or no loss, no profit position. This is the advantage of selling the put option instead of buying the call option when you think the market is positive. I hope now everybody understood the difference between buying the call option and selling the put option. I'll try to post another video which is selling and buying between put option and call option in the opposite manner. I will give a comparison for that also. Until then, stay tuned. People who are all new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Once you subscribe, please click on the bell icon so that you will come to know whenever I release a new video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.